Hello, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to what I'm calling, and this could be a lie, but I think it's my first fall inspired video. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like these pieces could easily transition from summer into fall. So today we're hauling JCrew and JCrew Factory. I get so many requests to haul higher end, or I guess more like better quality plus size things, and a lot of times that comes with a higher price tag. JCrew is one that people mention all the time, but on the opposite end I also get a lot of requests for JCrew Factory, so we're combining them today. I ordered probably an even amount of things from each place, and honestly the price wasn't that different. So I'm not really sure what the difference is. I understand that the JCrew Factory could be outlet things, maybe last season type things. Let me know down below. But again, the price difference wasn't that great. So today my goal, again, like I mentioned, is to show you some pieces that will transition from fall or from summer to fall. Here, it's a little bit warmer than maybe where you live. So you'll see some of the pieces maybe are a little bit more for warmer weather, but still those fall colors. But I do have like different tops and stuff like that that we can mix and match. So I think I have 4 outfits today and an incredible pair of shoes with this like red, like beautiful dress that I'm very excited about. I haven't tried the dress on yet, so we're hoping that it fits, but everything will be linked directly down below as well as my measurements, and let's get into it. This first outfit, y'all, I love this. All right, so sweaters in a size 3X, bottoms are in a size 22. I've just thrown on my white Cole Haan sneakers. This is your very typical sweater material, the white and navy striped. I love these pants. They fit so nice. They're higher waisted on me. They have pockets. I think they called them their chino pant. They came in a bunch of different colors. But this is so cute. This is for my cooler weather days. I do have a different top I'll throw on after this, but I felt like this is a very elevated look. Everything about it is so cute. I have zero complaints. I like the sweater where this band here sort of sits right at my belly button and then you let it billow out. I think it's so pretty. It's so fun. But on the website, most of the pictures of the pants, they had them rolled at the bottom, which I think is even cuter. So I wanted to show you this way first. Now let me roll the bottoms. It makes the outfit look a little bit more nautical, which kind of doesn't make sense with the sweater, I guess, unless it's super chilly and you're okay with your ankles being out. The next top I think will make a little bit more sense with the pants cuffed like this at the bottom. But this is really pretty. This is a very Taren outfit. This was really easy to shop and pick pieces because it seems like JCrew and JCrew Factory, they have a lot of basics which you can sort of mix and match, and that's my goal. When you're spending a little bit more money, you want to be able to wear something more than just one way, and I think it's super easy to do that with all of the pieces I'm going to show you today. This top I fell in love with the minute I saw it on the website and thought that it would be so pretty with these navy pants, which, by the way, let me point out, the longer I've been wearing these pants, they're such nice quality. As was the sweater, this is nice quality. So you're definitely getting that better feeling fabrics with a little bit more money. But I think if you're willing to spend the money, then it's fine to buy some really nice pieces. So this, I love the collar. I loved the tan. I kept the pants rolled because I felt like this was a more summery, casual look. We have the same white sneakers on. Is this not cute? This, again, perfect for me for fall. I will say the pants seem like they're a little bit big, but also I don't think that I could size down. If you have experience with these style pants from JCrew, I think these are from JCrew Factory. Let me know if they stretch any if you wear them throughout the day, because if so, I may order some more. I'm keeping these, but I may order more colors in a smaller size. The back is cute, like everything about this. I love the shorter sleeve. It's, spoiler, I like it. Y'all, I'm so sad about our next look. It doesn't fit. I'm still gonna show you so that if you do like something from this look and you want to order it, you know to size way up. So first of all, I picked these out. This was my like Christmas type look. These I thought were beautiful. Could be worn, again, dressed up, but also just on a date night out. I got them in a size 10, which I'm more of a size 9, 9.5, and these are made so small. And I'm sad about it because I think they're so pretty. How beautiful if this fit me properly. I got it in a size either 20 or 22, and it is so far from being able to be zipped that I would most likely need. I don't even think they make sizes large enough to where this would fit me. It has zero stretch to it, but I love the puffy sleeve. I love the puffy part at the bottom. It has pockets. It's a midi length. This would be stunning for a Christmas party. And it doesn't work. And I'm very sad about it because I thought this was going to be my favorite. Like, this is the outfit of the entire video. I really thought this was going to be it. It even has this really pretty bow at the back. And it doesn't work, so this one's a fail. All right, this is absolutely my speed for fall. I know it doesn't make sense because there's no sleeves, but the color scheme is what I'm talking about. This black tank, it's ribbed in a size 2X. Actually, what caught my attention was on the website it said it had a built-in bra, like there's not cups or pads or anything. And to be fair, it doesn't really cover the shelf part underneath. I don't know if it would really cover everything. So I'm wearing a bra right now. I'll take it off in a second and we'll see if this will actually hold me in place. These bottoms are in a size 3X. They're a linen type drawstring pant. They're a little bit cropped and tapered at the end. I love this green color. If I'm not mistaken, these also came in several different colors. I feel like they're a little bit big, but same with the blue pants. I don't think that I could size down. I think then they would be too small. So I just threw on my black tried and true Target slides. This could be a cute outfit with sneakers and a cardigan, maybe some booties and a cardigan as well. But for me, this color scheme is what I'm trying to do, but still feel like we're in the summertime. So I like this one. Here's a good look with the bra on. Let's take it off. Okay, it actually fits a little bit better than I thought it would. However, in order to get the shelf bra part under my boob, it pulls it way down on the sides. I wish that it were like this so that I didn't have, like it wasn't so far down on the sides. It's comfortable. I just don't know if I would wear it without, you know, like the whole purpose of the shelf bra is to not wear a bra. I don't know if I would. Maybe if you have a smaller chest, then you wouldn't have this problem. Throw on a button down opened up over this, even with these shoes, and it's still a fall look, but I would feel a little bit more, I would feel better about this part. But it is comfy. I just feel like I have other black tanks that I like better that I can wear a bra with. Last outfit we have is matching PJs. You know I'm a sucker for a great pair of matching PJs. These looked very lightweight on the website. Also, I'm pretty sure they were marked down on sale quite a bit. So I got them in a size 3X. Interesting, the tag says keep away from fire. I wonder if it's something to do with the fabric, like the material. These fit nice. The top is a little bit more snug than I would think a 3X would be. And same deal with these bottoms with the other ones. They're a little bit loose, but pajama bottoms, I want them loose. I just wish the top, like in the bottom part where it sits around my hips, I wish was a little bit looser. I love the blue color. I like the drawstring in the bottom, the white detail. I think is so fun. They're very comfortable. Do they shrink? Do you own these pajamas? Let me know, please, because I'm inclined to keep them because I feel very cute and I could easily just undo that last button. But if they're going to shrink, I probably won't keep them. And that is a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. My favorite is the navy pants with the tan short sleeve sweater, like collared top. I think that's so pretty. Here's what I'll say. If you're willing to spend a little bit of money, here's what I think you should spend your money on. Both pair of bottoms, the navy and the green. Though the green are very, very similar to Old Navy linen pants, though their pants are a full length, like wider leg style. So if you like the shorter cropped tapered style, then definitely go for the JCrew ones. I like the other top as well, the striped sweater. That black tank is a little bit strange. Maybe in a size larger, I would have more chest room. I'm not sure because I only bought the 2X. These pajamas, again, let me know what you think. I'm very disappointed about the red dress and the heels. I thought that that would be such a pretty holiday look. And unfortunately, it didn't work for me. So everything is linked down below. Let me know your recommendations because this was all y'all, JCrew and JCrew Factory. So other places that you typically shop at that you would like to see me haul, I'm down. Also, we don't have to only do high-end or, you know, more expensive things. We can do more affordable places as always, which by the way, this week I have another fall, like affordable type haul for you. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.